Imagine cruising down the road, not in a bulky RV, not in a van, but in something completely unique, your very own tiny home on wheels built into a trike. This isn't just transportation, it's freedom compressed into 3 wheels and a compact, cozy living space that can take you wherever your heart desires. Now, picture pulling over by a lake, unfolding the little details inside, and instantly transforming your trike into a personal retreat. It's not just about mobility, it's about a lifestyle shift, living smaller, smarter, and freer than ever before. For so many people today, the dream of owning a traditional house feels more impossible than ever. Rent prices skyrocket, mortgages drag people down for decades, and the idea of financial freedom gets pushed further and further away. That's why more people are choosing a different path, turning to tiny homes. But what if your tiny home didn't just stay in one place? What if it was on wheels, and not just any wheels, but a tricycle camper that combines affordability, sustainability, and adventure in one futuristic package? This camper trike is more than just eye-catching, it's practical. You get the essentials of a home, a space to rest, a roof over your head, storage for your belongings, and even room for cooking or sleeping, depending on the build. The design is minimal, yet incredibly efficient, making use of every square inch so nothing goes to waste. You're no longer stuck in one location or weighed down by rent. Instead, you carry your home wherever you go, whether it's the quiet countryside, a buzzing city, or an off-grid escape far away from the noise. But here's the magic, it's not only about saving money. It's about creating experiences. Imagine riding this trike through winding back roads, pulling over to watch the sunset, and knowing that your bed is just a few steps away. No need for hotels, no expensive campgrounds if you don't want them, just pure independence. It opens the door for adventure without breaking the bank. Plus, with a growing community of tiny home and camper enthusiasts, you'll find yourself part of a movement that values freedom, sustainability, and creativity over the traditional rat race. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a conversation starter. Everywhere you ride, people will stop and stare, curious about the lifestyle, fascinated by the idea of fitting a whole home onto 3 wheels. And you'll have the story, how this choice isn't about sacrifice, but about gaining something so much greater, control over your life and the ability to live rent-free while exploring the world at your own pace. So whether you're looking for an affordable housing solution, a way to travel with ultimate freedom, or simply a new lifestyle that breaks the mold, the tiny home on wheels camper trike is more than just a trend. It's a glimpse into the future of how we can live, lighter, freer, and more connected to the world around us. The only question left is, if you had the keys to this camper,